Chapter 17. Prepositions. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with some other word in the sentence. For example, the rat sat on the mat. Preposition on shows the relationship between rat and mat. There was a bridge across the river. Preposition across shows the relationship between bridge and river. Prepositions or adverbs. There are several words that can be used as adverbs and also as prepositions. There is a noun or pronoun after the preposition. This noun or pronoun is called the object of preposition. Read the following sentences and understand. They walked down the hill. Down, preposition, hill, noun. They walked down carefully. Down, adverb. Relations expressed by prepositions. Prepositions are used to indicate place and direction. For example, the men are sitting under a tree. Place, he is going towards Dehradun. Direction. Prepositions are used to express time. At, in, on are commonly used prepositions of time. At can be used as at night, at noon, at dawn, at dusk, at 5 o'clock. In can be used as in an hour, in a minute, in a second, in the morning, in a day or a month or a year, in 2005 or any other year, in the afternoon, in the evening. On can be used as on Monday or any other day, on 18th May 1974. Other prepositions of time are during, for, until, since, by. We use during when something happens in a period of time. For example, I play football during the school holidays. We use for to say how long a period of time is. For example, I play football for 2 hours each time. We use until, since and by when we talk about period of time that give us an idea of when an event starts or ends. For example, we must wait here until my friend arrives. She has been lonely since her daughter got married. He must finish painting the house by Sunday. Prepositions with special uses. There are a lot of prepositions that are used in other special ways. Some of these prepositions are by, in, on, without, of, at, as, like, then, with, for, except, instead of. We use by, on and in to say how people travel. For example, goods are brought to India by sea. Businessmen prefer to travel by air. I go to school on foot. She goes to school in his brother's car. We use by, with and without to say how things are done and who does them. For example, people solve their problems by computer. He is drawing with his colored pens. Chinese eat with chopsticks. The old man can walk without help. We use with and without to describe people, things and actions. For example, I sleep in a room with large windows. Cross the road with great care. Those birds with long legs are wading birds. Who is the man with long beard? Does without tails look funny? We use in, on and at in many ways. For example, Virat is in the cricket team. The tiger is in danger. We are going on holidays soon. I do a lot of my work on the computer. We listen to the news on radio. The bus is traveling at a very high speed. He left school at 16. He is driving at 40 km per hour. We use the preposition of in many ways. For example, I bought a kilo of oranges. The woman is carrying a bucket of water. He is bringing a can of fruit juice. He is the manager of a company. She ate a whole bar of chocolate. Most of us have black hair. We use the preposition for in the following ways. Here is a present for her. Papa bought a cake for my birthday. This sum is too difficult for us. We use like, as and than for comparison. For example, he looks like his father. She walks like her mother. Tina is as tall as Meena. My bag is larger than Raman's. Prepositions with adjectives. Read the following sentences. She is very fond of her doll. I am interested in joining army. Most of us are afraid of darkness. The teacher is angry with the pupils. She is good at singing but bad at dancing. Your problem is different from that of mine. The shelf is full of books. Your furniture is covered with dust. Our teacher is always kind to us. I am pleased with my performance. Be polite to old people. I am sorry for the people without homes. We are used to the noise. What is wrong with your computer? Prepositions with nouns. Read the following sentences. Congratulations on winning. Do you know the answer to this sum? Deforestation brings damage to the environment. Keep control over your anger. What is the reason for delay? What is the cure for toothache? What is the matter with you? Jogging is a good example of a vigorous exercise. Prepositions with verbs. Read the following sentences. The hunter is aiming at a tiger. People believe in God. This house belongs to me. Yash borrowed money from the bank. Priya lent her watch to Raj. Tell me about your experience. Parents look after their children. I agree with you. They are listening to the story. The convict has escaped from the prison. Children depend on their parents for everything. He cut the cake into 4 pieces. Grandpa is looking for his spectacles. Ask the policeman for help. Always remember, when a preposition comes before a personal pronoun, the pronoun must be in the object form. For example, the dog is running after the boy. The dog is running after him. Let's recapitulate. Prepositions show the position of something. They also indicate the relation of a noun or pronoun related to another word or group of words in a sentence. Difference between prepositions and adverbs, followed by nouns or pronouns called object, modifies another adverb. Some words are used both as prepositions and adverbs, as we walked down the hill. Preposition, we walked down carefully. Adverb, many prepositions indicate place or direction, as he sat under a tree. Place, this train goes towards Haridwar. Direction, many prepositions show time, as at noon or night or dawn or desk or 4 o'clock. In can be used as in an hour or a minute or a day or a month or a year or 2025. On can be used as on Monday or 7th October. Other prepositions of time are during, for, till, until, since, by, prepositions with special use. Many prepositions are used in other special ways, as by, on and in show the modes of transportation, as he came by bus, I go to school on foot, Raghu goes to office in his car. By, with and without say how things are used or done and who does them, as she is playing with her doll, we paint with colored pens. These days, people solve their problems by computer. He can walk without crutches. Prepositions with adjectives. Some prepositions follow adjectives, as good at singing, bond of friends, full of books, sorry for the poor. Prepositions with nouns. Some prepositions follow nouns, as cure for an ailment, reason for delay, answer to a question, damage to the environment, cure for sickness. Prepositions with verbs. Some prepositions follow verbs, as believe in, talk to, agree with, look for, ask for, aim at, tell about, look after,